Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to share your TikTok videos as GIF. So let's start. First, open the TikTok app. When the app opens, you have to go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Then, you have to tap on the video you want to share as GIF. Now tap on the three dots on the right hand side. And if you scroll to the left, you'll see the option Share as GIF. Now tap on that. And now select the portion you want to share as GIF. When you are done, tap Generate on top right corner. And it will take a few moments to convert your video into a GIF. Now you can share this GIF through WhatsApp, SMS, Messenger, Twitter, and more. I'll share this to Messenger with a friend. Now tap on Messenger. And here you will have two options. You can share it to your story or you can share it with a friend on chats. I'll select chats. Now I'll just tap send just beside my friend's name I want to share with. And the GIF is now shared with my friend. And that is how you can share your TikTok video as a GIF. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.